Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, we're going to be talking about how to close an Etsy shop the proper way. This was a requested video, so therefore if you want to learn how to do so, make sure that you watch all the way till the end. If this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to learn how to build an impactful online business, don't forget to subscribe today. Don't forget to show me some love by liking this video and leaving a comment below. So let's go ahead and talk about the background of what happens when you close an Etsy shop, and then I will show you how to do so. So keep in mind that when you close your Etsy shop, your shop and listings will not appear anywhere on Etsy. Closing your shop does not prevent buyers from leaving a review, and reviews left in your shop and any sold items remain public. So that does remain public. Is the only thing that will remain public. You can reopen your shop at any given moment. And one thing that I learned is that once you reopen the store again, you will actually keep the same name of your shop. So that's pretty neat. No one else will be able to claim that name. Your shop will look just the way you left it. And the only requirement is that you will need to authorize a new credit card to reopen your Etsy store. So that will be the only new thing. Now, in order to do so, let's say you want to go ahead and close your account and end your journey with Etsy, you will need to be logged in into the actual Etsy account that you want to close. Once you're logged in, you will head over to Shop Management or Shop Manager, and you're going to have your dashboard here. You will click on Settings, Options, and from here you will have all these different tabs, and you will click on Close Shop. And this is the window that you saw a few seconds ago. Now, when you click on Close Your Shop, it's going to ask you for the reasons why. You could select Etsy isn't right for me, business reasons, personal reasons, or something else. If it's the number one, Etsy isn't right for me, make sure that you click on that one, and it's going to ask you to write, the reason why. Make sure that you are as honest as possible. If you didn't have a good experience with Etsy, it wasn't working for you, maybe your store performance was kept dropping year after year, whatever the reason is, let them know, because the more feedback that they receive, the better that they could go ahead and fix any problems and issues in the future for other Etsy sellers. So don't forget to pick the one that best suits the reason why you're canceling and be as honest as possible. So guys, I hope that this tutorial helps you. Don't forget to subscribe today, and thank you guys for watching.